Find yourself a bit of conveyor belt. Conveyor belts manufactured using silicone to stop it sticking to the press. So you have to clean that off first. So using specialist cleaners, can't be an oil-based cleaner, and that gets rid of all your silicons. This is then before you buff and clean the area. Couple of tools, Milwaukee, obviously. This little tire buffer. This is great for doing little patch repairs. As you can see, get a nice little key. Obviously, if you want the big boy on the block, this is another speed control because it needs to be slow. This is a specialist head that we supply. As you can see, a lot more of an aggressive buff. This has already been prepared. I have replicated some damage in a conveyor belt, which, to be absolutely honest, if that was on this kind of belt, you'd probably be looking at changing the belt. So the QuickFix product, we've also developed the Fast Fix, which this is fantastic for a primer. So literally just spread it over. You don't need a massive amount. And then literally buy a disposable brush from us or something and liberally over the area. This is just a binder. It will work without it, but to get this sort of heavy duty repair like this, we recommend that, and leave that till it dries. So that's dried now. The QuickFix cartridge, when you get your box, it'll come with the tips, also come with a seal on the back here. Just ring pull that off, burst that, and screw that on. You'll only need one tip per unit because you don't need to stick a screw down it like in lots of others. You just literally pick out the end and it's good to go. A good bead of it in there. This is a lot for this kind of thing. And the good news is this is all workable for 20 minutes. So now the two-part stuff would be curing and you'd be running around with your spreader trying to work it in. This you don't have to. You literally have got all the time in the world. Well, you've got 20 minutes to then put it in. 20 minutes before it becomes hard so you can't work it, and then 40 minutes it's cured. Look at that, it should have been a cake icer.